Hi, question number 1. Complete each of the following empty boxes with a symbol greater than or smaller than. So understand the question, complete. 完成 empty boxes 空的格子 with the symbol 符号。什么符号呢？这两种符号 is greater than 大于 or is less than 小于。Let's look at A. 67 and 76. Which one is bigger? This is simple, yeah? So 76 is greater, 2 dots. 67 is smaller, 1 dot. You connect it up, becomes 67 is lesser than 76. Look at B. 4, 3 over 4, 2 over 5. This is fraction. You can always use calculator to get it in decimal. So you pressed SD becomes 0.75. Put down here 0.75. And then you have 2 over 5. I have 0.4. So this is 0.4. So which one is larger? Which number should I look at? Check the first one, 0, 0. 7, 1. Oh, 7 and 4. So 7 is bigger. 4 is smaller. So this is greater than. Check number 3. Number 3, slightly tricky because there are units there, different units. So we change it to the same unit. So this stay as gram. Kg change to gram. Kg to gram times 1000. So I have 250 still here. 3.5 3.5乘以1000, you get 3,500. So you put down here 3,500. 哪一个比较大？3500比较大。So 2 dots, 250比较小 1 dot, and this is less than. D. What is different in D is very special because there is a negative, 还有一个负在这里。如果是负的话，越小的号码越大。所以我们先比小数点的前面有2，小数点的前面有6，所以越小的号码2，负2大过负6。连起来 greater than. Next one. 小数点分数。分数有时候会很混乱。Always change it to 小数点 by using calculator. You'll get 0.4285. 我会进位变成 4286， 因为这个大过等于5。So it's 0.4286 加1。So I write down here 0.4286. So I compare 小数点的后面，小数点的后面，哦，4比较大，3比较小，所以4比较大，3比较小，连起来 lesser than. Same applies to the bottom one. 最后一个 check， 如果有 unit check unit， 哦，两个 unit 一样，那么就可以先把它拿掉。Look at the number 25. 2/5 2 per 5. So I press calculator. 2 per 5是多少呢？ So I put down here 2 divided by 5, per is divide. You'll have 0.4. So put down here 0.4 here. And 25, 哪一个比较大？如果小数点前面它有号码，就先看小数点前面的号码。没有小数点加小数点。是25大还是0大？当然是25。大的放2个点，小的放1个点。And you connect. This is greater than. Alright? Simple.